Ito na po, oh. Ayan. Tapos lalagyan ko na ng black pepper. And black salt. And calamansi juice. For kick in. Like calamansi juice instead of lemon. Ay, it's the right one. Okay, now I'm gonna mix it. Wow, see the onion right there? Yeah, I did. It's asking me to put some calamansi. There you have it. Wow. And this is the finishing of my guacamole. I put some seed so that, you know, hindi siya mangingitim yung avocado. Kasi pag hindi ko nilagay, mangingitim siya. Yummy avocado guacamole. And here now. Try it, babe. Good. There's my guacamole. Wow. That's finishing. This is good with this guacamole. My favorite chips. Here. Try. Try a bit. That's good.
Okay, I'm going to taste this.
You doing the video?
So good.